In this video, we will see how to install Node.js in Windows machine and why we need Node.js for Angular application. So, to install the Node.js, first we have to open the browser and type Node.js. So, we will get this first link nodejs.org. So, this is the website for the Node.js. Now we can see that there are two things available: recommended for most user, LTS version and current version. So we will go with this current version because this current version is the stable version of Node.js. And now you can see that Node.js is downloaded in my system. And now we will click this file and we can click on next button. Then I accept this terms and condition. Next, we will go with the default settings. Next, 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 install. Yes. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to install Node.js. Now our Node.js installation is completed. So we can click on finish button. Now we can verify that how Node.js is installed in our server or not. So we will open the command prompt and now here we can type node-v. So this will tell us the version of Node.js which is currently installed in our system. So we can see that the version is currently 14.1.0. And next, there is one npm also, that is a Node package manager, which is also comes with the Node.js. So whenever we install the Node.js, this will by default comes with the Node. So we can see, we can also check this version of npm by typing npm-v. Npm means Node Package Manager. So in this returns 6.14.4. This is the version of npm. Why we need npm? Npm is basically a Node Package Manager which manages all the dependencies, all the Node dependencies, Node repositories, Node packages. So we know that to install the Angular application, to create the Angular application, we need Node.js. So we will see why we need Node.js to create an Angular application. So we know that Angular is completely a new framework. I'm talking about Angular 2 plus versions. So Angular 2 plus is completely a new framework and it is written in TypeScript language. So what is this TypeScript language? TypeScript is the superset of JavaScript language. So as we know that our browser like Chrome, Firefox, Fox, etc. read JavaScript by default. They don't understand the TypeScript. So we need something which can compile the TypeScript into the JavaScript. So we need Node.js and npm to compile them into the JavaScript file. So after compilation only, we can deploy that our Angular application in the production. This is all for how to install the Node.js application, Node.js in our Windows machine. In the next lecture, we will see how to install Node.js in Linux machine. So please like and subscribe my videos.